Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. If you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Guys, as you can see, today we are going to be opening the April 2020 Simply Earth. This is an essential oil subscription, which is amazing. And it comes with all kinds of fun and different recipes every month that you can make with the essential oils they send you, and it will give you different products that you may need to create those different recipes, along obviously with the recipe cards. And if you or when you first sign up for Simply Earth, I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. But I have a promo code, which is Southern Mom Free, and this will get you, because this is $39 a month, it will get you your first month. It will get you a big bonus box, which is going to come with things like almond oil and coconut oil and like empty roller bottles and empty just little bottles if you need to make like essential oil blends. It's going to come with a bunch of different things that you may need for different recipes. Also, it will come with a $40 e-gift card for Simply Earth. So you're basically getting your money back, which is amazing. And if you love essential oils, you can't beat that. So let's get in here and see what we got for April 2020. Wow, that was stuck. All right, so when we open it, we always have these little stickers, like I said, because if you have a recipe where you need to make a roller ball or a blend, they give you these stickers to put on there so you know what you've made. And then we have our recipe cards, and then we have our oils and our other goodies. So let's see what our theme is this month. And let's see. All right, it says, a note from Katie, recipe formulator and certified aromatherapist. It says, hi Earthy, recently while I was cleaning the floor by our table, I noticed toddler footprints through my freshly washed floors. I know the feeling. It's either kid footprints or dog paws. These sweet little footprints reminded me of why cleaning my floors with toxin-free ingredients is so important. If you want to stick to your toxin-free journey, finding your why behind what you're doing is important. It keeps you focused on making your home safe. As you use this month's box to detox your home, I'd like to challenge you to think about the why behind your own toxin-free journey. So Detox is the theme this month. I think that is awesome. And it's actually a really good time to be cleaning your house. So let's get in here and see. We have our oils. We have tea tree right here. So there is that one. Let me see. I do want to also say one thing I love about Simply Earth is they give back 13% of their profit to different charities and organizations to end human trafficking. I think that is just an amazing cause, and I just love that they do that. So we have tea tree right here, and this says uses. It uplifts, improves skin health, cleans, relieves congestion. It says dilute before using it on your skin. It's kid safe for 2 and up. It is not pregnancy, cat, or dog safe. I love that they tell you, because you do have to be careful with essential oils around certain animals or children of certain ages. So I do like that they let you know here on this little information card what the oil does, and then those facts as well. So then we have peppermint, which is one of my favorite essential oils. And here it is right there. And this is, it energizes, improves focus and digestion, relieves pain, and cools. It says dilute at 5% rate or less for topical use. It is kid safe for 10 and up. It is pregnancy safe, but it is not safe for cats or dogs. So then we have lemongrass. And again, these are all 100% pure essential oils, unless they say they are a blend, because sometimes we'll get a blend in a box, but these all are 100% essential oils. So this is, it says uses, it calms, warms, and relieves pain, focuses the mind, and cleans, to dilute at 1% or less for topical use. It is kid safe at 10 and up. It is not pregnancy safe. It is not cat safe, and it is safe for diffusing around dogs. And then we have this last one, which is a blend, but it is still made of 100% essential oils, and this is clean and fresh. It boosts energy, cleans. It's got fir needle, neroli, lemon, and grapefruit. It says always dilute before using it on your skin. And then it says it is safe for kids 2 and up. It is safe for pregnancy. It is not safe for cats, and it is safe to diffuse around dogs. So then it goes over kind of the extras in our bottle or in our box. So we have a 1 ounce container, we have a spray bottle, a bamboo toothbrush. So let's see what we're going to be making this month and how we're going to detoxify and clean our homes safely. So the first recipe here is for a gunk remover. And this is going to, let's see, you're going to use 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, and that is something that would come in that big bonus box if you use the code Southern Mom Free. 18 drops of the lemongrass essential oil, and then a 1 ounce container, which technically this could be. So it says you apply the gunk remover to the desired area, let it sit for 5 minutes, use a wet washcloth, and rinse it off. So gunk remover. Happy Home Diffuser Blend. So this is going to be 2 drops of lemongrass, 2 drops of peppermint, 1 drop of clean and fresh, and then a 5 milliliter blend bottle. So again, that is something that would be in that big bonus box. So basically, you're just going to make this essential oils or make the mixture of those essential oils, and you've got the Happy Home and Diffuser Blend. And it does go over how you can, if you want to make it a little bit bigger, you know, it goes up to 40 drops of lemongrass, 40 drops of peppermint, 20 drops of clean and fresh. So I do like that they give you kind of the one-time use in addition to if you want to like make a blend of it that you can use all the time. All right, and then we have Shine Spray. Oh, what is this? A quarter cup of vinegar, 20 drops of clean and fresh, and then a 2 ounce spray bottle, which we have right here. And it says add all the ingredients in the spray bottle, shake, spray, and wipe. You can use this spray to clean windows, wipe away dust on surfaces, and more. It says for best results, use a microfiber cloth. It says works great on stainless steel. It says do not use on natural stone like marble or granite countertops. It could harm the finish. So I love how they give you all the information you could need, but I like the sound of that. All right, and then we have a beeswax furniture polish. 1.5 tablespoons of beeswax, 1/3 cup of fractionated coconut oil. Both of those are in that big bonus box. 5 drops of lemongrass essential oil, 5 drops of tea tree, and then you'll need a 4 to 6 ounce jar. So you'll just kind of mix everything together, and it says apply a small amount of polish to a clean cloth and gently rub into wood furniture. So there is that. And then we have a grout scrub. This is 1 cup of baking soda, a cup of vinegar, 20 drops of clean and fresh, and the bamboo toothbrush. Here I am thinking we're about to make some toothpaste. Nope, this is to clean. So you add the oil blend to the vinegar, use a washcloth or spray bottle to apply the mixture to grout lines depending on how much grout you are cleaning, and allow the vinegar mixture to sit for 5 minutes. Dip your toothbrush into baking soda, scrub through grout lines. That's awesome. So, and then we have our last recipe. Says work it, roll on. This is 1 drop of peppermint, 1 drop of tea tree, 3 drops of clean and fresh, 10 milliliters of the fractionated coconut oil, and a 10 milliliter bottle. And basically you just add them all to the bottle, swirl it around, mix it up, and you're ready to go with a roll-on that you have made yourself. So there is that. And again, the stickers here are, you know, for the beeswax polish silk remover, the shine spray, and then it just kind of goes, the grout scrub. So it kind of goes over, you know, everything that you've made, and you can label it. So one thing I like too is they give us a little sneak peek to next month. So that is going to be Woman Up, supporting women's health in toxin-free ways. Oh, let's see. So the oils are going to be Lady's Choice Essential Oil Blend. It says a new spring theme blend. I'm so excited to get this into your hands. Marjoram and tangerine essential oils. The recipes are going to be an uplifting solid perfume, a cramp care blend, calming bath salts, a face serum, hormone balance roll-on, and a spring themed diffuser blend. All of that sounds awesome. Wow. Okay. So yay. So that is everything we have in our April 2020 Simply Earth box. I think this is, again, just such a really great box because if you enjoy essential oils, you know, you get such a variety, and the different recipes are always amazing. And they literally, like I said, break it down on the oil, what it's safe for, you know, uses, and then with the recipes, same thing. It kind of breaks down exactly how to make it, exactly how to use it, and tips. Like I said, with the shine spray, you know, it's not recommended to really use something like that on marble or granite. So I just think they cover all the bases and give you such functional, fun things to make and detox your house in the process. So like I said, that link will be down below along with the promo code if you would like to sign up for Simply Earth. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.